Hello student, welcome to fourth lecture of event handling. In previous video we see some event classes. In today's video we also see some another event classes. So let's start. The learning outcome of today's video. First we see item event class, then we see key event class, then next we see mouse event class, and at last we see the mouse wheel event class. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. So first we see the item event class. An item event is generated when a checkbox or list item is clicked, or when checkable menu item is selected or deselected. So these are the sources of item event. First is when checkbox or list. These are the two components which generate the item event. When you click the list item or when checkable menu item is selected or deselected. There are two types of item event which are identified by the following integer constant. First constant is deselected, all are in capital letters. When user deselect an item, that time this constant is used. And second one is selected. When the user select any item, that time this constant is used. So there are two types of integer constant used to identify the item event. Next, in addition, item event defined one integer constant, item state change, that signifies a change of the state. So item underscore state underscore change, also one integer constant. It is used to identify when the state of the component is changed, and the components are checkbox or list. Then we see the constructor of item event. The constructor of item event class have four parameters. First one, item selectable, that is the source of event. Next one, integer type, that is then object entry and integer state. The description about of parameters are source is the reference to the component that generate the event. Means in first parameter we pass the object of component that generate the event. For example, this might be list or choice element. Second parameter is the type of event which is specified by in the type, and the specified item that generate the item event is passed in the entry. And last parameter, the current state of the item. So this is the constructor of item event class. Then next we see the key event. A key event is generated when keyboard input occurs. So it is very important. It is the key event is all related to the keyboard. When the user or when input is received from keyboard, that time this event is generated. There are three types of key event which are identified by this constant. First is key underscore press, second one is key underscore release, and third constant is key underscore type. The first two events, that is key pressed and key release, are generated when any key is pressed or released. So when you press any key from keyboard, that time key pressed is generated, and when the key is released, that time key release constant is used. And the last event, that is key type, occur only when the character is generated. So remember one thing, the all keys from keyboard not generate the characters means simple. When you press any key, that time if any character is type on screen, that time that key is called as key type. Some example, I give some examples like shift key, caps lock key, control key, alt key. This type of key not generate any character on screen. So next point is regarding that. Remember, not all key press result in the character. For example, pressing shift does not generate any character. Key event is a subclass of input event. Next we see there are many other integer constant that are defined by key event. For example, vk underscore 0 through vk underscore 9 and vk underscore a through vk underscore z define the ASCII equivalent of the number and letters. So this is very important point. First of all, vk means virtual key underscore 0 to 9. So these constants are used for the numerical values. Just example, if I press 5, that time vk underscore 5, this constant is used. If I press p, that time vk underscore p is used. So these are also constant regarding the keys. Here are some others like vk underscore alt, vk underscore down, vk underscore left, vk underscore right, vk underscore cancel, vk underscore enter, vk underscore page underscore down, vk underscore shift. Similarly, these are the all are the keys on the keyboards. So for that, vk underscore the name of the key, like alt down, these are the different constant regarding the key event. The vk constants specify virtual key code and are independent of any modifier such as Control, Shift or Alt. Then the next is we see some methods of key event class. The key event class defines several methods, but the most common use are first method is get key character. K is capital and C is capital. This method not have any parameter, but this method return the character value. This method which return the character that was entered. If no valid character is available, then get key character returns character underscore undefined. So if I press P, that time this method return the that character. If the invalid character is entered, that time this method return character underscore undefined. Second method is integer get key code. K and C is capital. This method not have any parameter. This method return the integer value. This method returns the key code of the key code. When a key type event occurs, get key code returns the vk underscore undefined. So these two are the methods of key event class. Next we have some MCQ questions. Dash dash event is generated when a checkbox or a list item is clicked. First option is action event, second option adjustment event, third option component event, and last option item event. Answer of this question is item event. Item event is generated when checkbox or list item is clicked. Second question, key event is generated when first option is text area or text field is changed. Second one, the mouse wheel is moved. Third option, input is received from keyboard, and last option, scroll bar is manipulated. So answer of this question is input is received from the keyboard. Third, from the following dash dash is not integer constant. First vk underscore 0, second vk underscore t, third vk underscore b, and last one all of above. Answer of this question is all of above. Then next event class is mouse event. There are 8 type of mouse event. Mouse event is subclass of input event. The mouse event class defines the following integer constant that can be used to identify them. So there are 8 constant and 8 event, mouse event. First constant is mouse underscore clicked. When user click the mouse, that time this constant is used. Second, mouse drag, this used when mouse was dragged. Third, and mouse entered. Fourth one, mouse exited. Fifth one, mouse move. Sixth one, mouse pressed. Seventh one, mouse released, and last one, mouse wheel. So these are the 8 constant regarding the event. So these 8 are also mouse event, and every constant represents some event. Then constructor of the mouse event class, which have number of parameters. First one is source, second one is integer type, third one long when, next one modifier, next one x coordinate, next y coordinate, next click, and last one trigger pop-up. So next we see the description about the all parameters. First parameter is source, is the reference to the component that generate the event, means the component which generate the event, that is passed in first parameter. Second, type of the event is specified by the type, which there are 8 types of event, and one constant is passed in the second parameter out of that 8 constants. The system time at which the mouse event occurs is passed in when. So in when, the time current the time at which the event is occur, that time is passed in when. Then the modifier argument indicate which modifier was pressed when the mouse event occurs. So there are several modifier keys. Examples are Control, Shift, Alt. These are the modifier keys. Next one, the coordinates of mouse are passed in x and y. The click count is passed in click, how many times user click the mouse. And the last one is trigger pop-up flag, indicate if this event cause a pop-up menu to appear on this platform. So if any pop-up window is appear, that time this parameter is true, otherwise the last parameter is false. So this is the constructor of mouse event class and the parameters of mouse event class. The parameters are very important because the number of parameters are many, so clearly understand or try to remember these parameters. Then next class is mouse wheel event. The mouse wheel event class encapsulate a mouse wheel event. It is subclass of mouse event. Not all mouse have wheel. If the mouse has a wheel, it is located between the left and right button. So the latest mouse, all mouse have the mouse wheel, but some mouse are not have mouse wheel. So this is regarding wheel of the mouse, which is used for uh, scroll the pages. Mouse wheels are used for scrolling. Mouse wheel event define these two integer constant. First is wheel underscore block underscore scroll. This constant is used when page up or page down scroll event is occur. And next one, wheel underscore unit underscore scroll. This constant is used when line up or line down scroll event is occur. So this is mouse event class. Next we have constructor of the class, which have number of parameters. We directly see the explanation of parameter. First, source object that generate the event is passed in first parameter. Next parameter, type. The type of event is specified. There are two types of event: mouse wheel event. Next parameter is when, the system time at which the mouse event is occur. Next modifier, which modifier were pressed when the event is occur. This passed in the modifier. X and Y define the coordinates of mouse. Then click define the number of clicks the wheel has rotates. Then next parameter indicate trigger pop indicate if this event cause a pop-up menu to appear on this platform. Then scroll out value must be either wheel unit scroll or wheel block scroll. These are the two constant. And last parameter amount, sorry, second last parameter amount, the number of unit to the scroll, and last count, the number of rotation unit that the wheel move. So this is quite difficult to understand and remember, but this is one constructor of mouse wheel event class. So this is regarding mouse event. Next we have some MCQ. Mouse event is a subclass of, options are adjustment event, second option item event, third option input event, and last option none of these. Answer of this question is input event. Mouse wheel event define dash dash integer constant. Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer of this question is 2. Third question, mouse wheel event is a subclass of mouse event. So options are true and false. The statement is true, so answer of this question is true. Thank you.